Hello everyone, I am Shweta and again I am ready with my next presentation for Class 1, subject English. The name of the book is Together With. Today's topic is Lesson 1, Meet My Family. This is lecture number 2. In the previous lecture also we read the chapter Meet My Family, and in this lecture we will be learning about the word meanings and new words. So let's start with lecture number 2. So the name of the lesson is Meet My Family. मेरे परिवार से मिलो. So in this lecture, what we will be learning. First is the key points, means important points of this lesson that you have to keep in mind. ये important point है जो तुम्हें हमेशा याद रखना है. It can be asked in the form of question answer or book exercise. Second thing is we will be learning about the word meaning. हम word meaning भी learn करेंगे. And the third is new words. So the first is key points. So the first one is Roy. In this lesson we read about a boy, Roy. Roy is a boy who is introducing his family. Roy वही boy है जो अपने परिवार को introduce करवा रहा है, जो अपने परिवार के बारे में बता रहा है. So who is a Roy? Roy is a boy. He is 6 years old. वह 6 साल का है. He likes to swim. उसे तैरना पसंद है. He likes to swim. Again, Roy, who is Roy? Roy जो है एक लड़का है. He is 6 years old. वह 6 साल का है. He likes to swim. उसे तैरना पसंद है. Swim means तैरना. Next is Sia. Who is Sia? Sia is a girl. Who is Sia? Sia is a girl. Sister of Roy. Roy की बहन है. Sia कौन है? Who is Sia? Roy की बहन. Sister of Roy. She is 10 years old. वह कितने साल की है? वह 10 साल की है. She likes to play. उसे खेलना पसंद है. So keep in mind these points. ये points को हमेशा याद रखना है. It can be asked in the form of question answer or in the form of book exercises. So again let's repeat again. Who is Roy? Roy is a boy. Roy जो है वो एक लड़का है. He is 6 years old. वह 6 साल का है. He likes to swim. उसे तैरना पसंद है. Next one is Sia. Who is Sia? Sia is a girl. Sia एक लड़की है. Sister of Roy. Roy की बहन है. 10 years old. She is 10 years old. वह 10 साल की है. She likes to play. उसे खेलना पसंद है. So the next one is Mr. Das. In this lesson, Roy is introducing his family. तो उस family में मम्मी भी है, पापा भी है, friend भी है, Roy खुद है और उसकी sister भी है. So now Mr. Das, the father of Roy. Who is Mr. Das? Father of Roy. Roy के पापा. He is a doctor. वह कौन है? वो डॉक्टर है. He is a doctor. रॉय के पापा जो है वो एक डॉक्टर हैं. He likes to read. उन्हें पढ़ना पसंद है. He likes to read. उन्हें पढ़ना पसंद है. Now Mrs. Das. Mrs. Das is a mother of Roy. रॉय की मम्मी का नाम Mrs. Das है. रॉय के पापा का नाम मिस्टर दास है. रॉय की मम्मी का नाम मिसेस दास है. शी इज अ टीचर. वह एक टीचर है. वो टीचर है. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाती है. शी इज अ टीचर. शी लाइक्स टू कुक. उन्हें खाना पकाना पसंद है. शी लाइक्स टू कुक. उन्हें खाना बनाना पसंद है. नेक्स्ट वन इज पीहू. Who is Pihu? Pihu is the best friend of Roy. Pihu जो है वो रॉय की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, सबसे अच्छी दोस्त है रॉय की। शी इज 7 years old, वह 7 साल की है। शी लाइक्स एनिमल्स, उसे जानवर पसंद है। सो लेट्स रिपीट अगेन। हु इज मिस्टर दास? मिस्टर दास इज द फादर ऑफ रॉय। मिस्टर दास जो है वो रॉय के पापा हैं। ही इज अ डॉक्टर, वह एक डॉक्टर है। ही लाइक्स टू रीड, उन्हें पढ़ना पसंद है। मिसेस दास, हु इज मिसेस दास? मदर ऑफ रॉय, रॉय की मम्मी जो है वो मिसेस दास है। शी इज अ टीचर, वह एक टीचर है। शी लाइक्स टू कुक, उन्हें खाना पकाना पसंद है। नेक्स्ट वन इज पीहू, बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ रॉय। पीहू कौन है? हु इज पीहू? पीहू इज द बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ रॉय, रॉय की बेस्ट फ्रेंड पीहू है। शी इज 7 years old, वह 7 साल की है। शी लाइक्स एनिमल्स, उसे जानवर पसंद हैं। So now we will learn some word meanings. We will see the meaning of some words. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 is M-E-E-T, meet. M-E-E-T, meet. Meet means milna. Meet means milna. Second one is I. I means मैं. I means मैं. I means मैं. Number three is my. 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 My means मेरा. My means मेरा. My means मेरा. Fourth one is family. F-A, fa, M-I-M-E-L-Y, family, family. Fourth one is family, family. Family means परिवार. Family means परिवार. Fifth one is swim. Fifth one is swim. S-W-I-M, swim. S-W-I-M, swim. Swim means तैरना. Swim means तैरना. Swim means तैरना. Number 6 is read. R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. Read means पढ़ना. Read means पढ़ना. Seventh one is cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Cook means पकाना. Cook means पकाना. Cook means पकाना. Number 8 is play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Play means खेलना. Play means खेलना. Play means खेलना. Ninth one is sister. S-I-S, sister. T-E-R, sister. Sister means बहन. Sister means बहन. Sister means बहन. Number 10th is animal. Animal. Number 10th is animal. Animal. Animal means जानवर. Animal means जानवर. Animal means जानवर. Let's repeat the meaning of these words again. Number 1 is meet. Meet means मिलना. Number 2 is I. I means मैं. Number 3rd is my. My means मेरा. Number 4th is family. Family means परिवार. 5th one is swim. Swim means तैरना. 6th one is read. Read means पढ़ना. 7th one is cook. Cook means पकाना. 8th one is play. Play means खेलना. 9th one is sister. Sister means बहन. 10th one is animal. Animal means जानवर. So your homework is learn and write these new words in your rough notebook. So some new words are given. You have to learn their spellings and you have to write down in your rough notebook. Let's see these words. Number 1 is meet. M-E-E-T, meet. Number 1 is M-E-E-T, meet. Number 2 is C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. Number 3 is family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 4 is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Number 5 is S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Number 6 is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Friend means dost. Seventh one is father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Eighth is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Ninth one is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Teacher. T-E-A-T-C-H-E-R, char. Teacher. Tenth one is doctor. Doctor. D-O-C. Doctor. T-O-R. Doctor. 11th one is swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Number 12th is animals. 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 Let's repeat again. Number 1 is meet. Meet means milna. Number 2 is come. Come means आओ. Number 3 is family. Family means parivar. Number 4 is brother. Brother means bhai. Number 5 is sister. Sister means behan. 6th one is friend. Friend means dost. 7th one is father. Father means papa. 8th one is mother. Mother means mummy. 9th one is teacher. Teacher means master, sikshak. 10th one is doctor. 11th one is swim. Swim means तैरना. 12th is animals means जानवरों. So this is your homework. You have to write down these words in your rough notebook. Learn the spellings also. And thank you and have a nice day. And you must have enjoyed watching this video.